This is the best beans recipe ever. It's very simple to make, not complicated, but everyone is going to love it. I promise you that. If you want to learn how to make this yummy goodness, stay tuned to the end. Let me teach you how to prepare this delicious meal. Hey, this is Dekas and you're welcome to my channel. To make beans porridge, you need beans, of course. You're going to neatly wash those beans, boil it, then sieve out the water. Why we do this is because of chemicals used in preserving the beans, so that it will be safe for the health. So when we do this, we'll now come back and continue cooking the beans. While cooking the beans, we're going to be adding salt to the beans. Not much. Remember our technique of adding salt bit by bit. So we're just going to add this salt to the beans. We know that beans is already sweet. Beans doesn't really need much ingredients like that. So we're putting in salt to just bring out the natural taste of beans. So we're going to be cooking, allowing this beans to boil while we prepare another of our ingredients, which is the plantains. For this recipe, we need very ripe plantains. Not softly ripe, very ripe plantains, very soft ones. Then we're going to be cutting them into tiny pieces and cutting them. And then when the pot has boiled, not cooked, boiled, okay, we're just starting to cook our beans. We're going to be pouring in our plantains into the beans. We want those plantains to be well cooked. There's a reason why we actually do this. Okay, it's boiled, not cooked. We are going to be cooking the plantains and the beans to make sure they are well cooked. I'm going to be using Scotch bonnet peppers for my beans for extra flavor. You can use the red one if you have it, and also onions. Going to blend one of my onions with the peppers roughly and then slice one for use later. When our beans and plantains are well cooked, we're going to put them down and then heat up a pan, add palm oil, then heat it a bit, not bleach. We heat the oil, then we add in our sliced onions. We'll fry a bit to bring out the flavors. Then we add in our roughly blended Scotch bonnet peppers with onions. And then we're going to be frying this till well fried, not too dry, till everything has brought out its flavor into the oil. Then we're going to be adding seasoning cubes and also salt to taste to this palm oil sauce. We're going to also be careful with our salt. Remember, we've already added salt while cooking our beans, so we're going to be adding pinch by pinch and make sure we don't cook salty food. So when we're done with frying this and we are okay with the cooking, we're going to be bringing it down while we bring back the pot back to the fire. Then we add in our palm oil sauce to the cooked beans and plantains. So when we add in this oil, we're just going to be turning and mashing our beans and make sure everything mixes in properly. We also test for salt. Definitely there will be salt. Beans is already a delicious meal. It's sweet on its own, and this is the most amazing recipe of beans. You don't need to have extra ingredients that is going to mess the taste up. This is as simple as ever. So this is it, and our beans is ready to be enjoyed. Beans can be eaten on its own, or it can be served with jollof rice or fried plantains or yam. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you for your engagement. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.